Welcome to the module on Digital Skills for Daily Life Steps to Set Up Digital Banking. By the end of this topic, you will be able to identify essential digital banking features and core functionalities offered by most digital banking platforms. What is digital banking? Digital banking lets you manage your finances entirely online through your mobile phone app or computer. You can check your account balance, transfer funds, pay bills, and more all from the comfort of your own device. The computer or the phone helps you access your account from wherever you are. What can you do with digital banking? You can do everything. Digital banking offers a convenient, fast, and potentially cost-effective way to manage your finances. You can manage your money at your convenience 24/7. You no longer have to wait in long lines or restrict yourself to bank working hours. Faster transactions happen almost instantly. Accessibility, banking on the go, you can access your account from wherever you are. It is potential cost saving, the fees incurred are lower than the traditional banking fees. It offers more features, for example, you can apply for loan and invest your money through digital banking. What are the common services you can get through digital banking? Digital banking offers a wide range of services, making it a convenient and powerful tool for managing your finances. You can deposit checks remotely. You can check account balance. Transfer money between your accounts. Pay bills electronically. Send and receive money to others with accounts in different banks. Manage your debit card. And view your transaction history. Is digital banking safe? Digital banking can be safe, but like any online activity, it requires caution. Strong password protection is a necessary feature. Most banks enforce strong password requirements. It's important to be aware of the potential risks and take precautions to protect yourself. Be cautious of online scams, never share your login details. Starting the process of digital banking on your phone. Download and launch the Downloaded Bank app from your phone's home screen. Locate enrollment option. Look for a button or option labeled New User Registration or Enroll for Mobile Banking. This might be on the app's welcome screen or within a dedicated Login or Register section. Provide account details. Enter your bank account number, registered mobile number, and other information as requested by the app. For verification, you will receive a one-time password, OTP, on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP in the designated field within the app. Create a strong username or user ID and a secure password for future logins. To log in, open the app and enter your username or user ID and password. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the app's layout. Most apps offer a menu or dashboard with icons or buttons for various functionalities. You can explore these features. Let us discuss a few important security tips for safe digital banking. Strong passwords. Create unique and complex passwords for your digital banking access. Enable two-factor authentication. Most Indian bank apps offer 2FA through fingerprint or facial recognition or a separate OTP sent to your phone. Enable this for an extra layer of security. Beware of phishing scams. Never share your login credentials or respond to emails or messages claiming to be from your bank. Regular monitoring. Regularly review your account activity for suspicious transactions. Thank you.